What's going on, everybody? It is Logan with Socialverse. So I have a game-changing tool for you guys. So this is going to change everything up. So when you're having a white label or a SaaS business or anything, some of the hardest parts are onboarding clients and showing clients how to use the software effectively and efficiently. Well, this tool solves that. Well, using this tool, you guys can now create your own custom onboarding flows for your customers to go through and walk them through every individual step that you want them to go through. And you can pick and choose which steps you want them to go through. So let's show you it out real quick. Show it to you. So here we have the software, and as you can see, it says welcome to the SV website builder. So I can change that. I can make it whatever I want. I can put text here. I can put videos here. I can do whatever I want and change this up to make it fit and match my style, change the colors as well. And then let's just jump into start tour. So as you can see, I have it. This is just a little demo one I set up for you guys to show you what you could do. It's not complete or anything like that, but it just goes to step 2. You can change the title of this. I've got some text. It says, this is the pages/pop-ups menu. You can access all your current website pages here and all that, and add new pages, delete unused pages with ease. They can go next or previous. They can also obviously open this up and check it out, but then they can close this. They can go to next. So next it goes to widgets panel. And now look, guys, I embedded a video. So you could also embed videos, GIFs, a bunch of images, personalize some things a little bit more, show people around just to show a little bit more in depth. Go to next, got another one, next, and so on. So obviously you can create custom onboarding flows to walk people through your website on each individual step, how they can use it. You can go in depth, or you can go just kind of brief and touch on what the section is kind of what it does, all of that. But it's very cool because, like I said, you can come in here and actually edit all of this. I can add new images. I can format new tools. I can insert code. I can do a lot of different cool features here. So that's why it's very cool. This is a highly, 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 highly recommended tool. I know I'm going to be building out more workflows for all of our softwares that we offer at Socialverse and integrating this into our website. So I recommend you guys checking this one out as well, because it's something it's truly awesome that I do recommend you guys even just look into, because it could help maybe raise your conversions with your DIY users so they're not dropping off. So check it out. I'm going to leave a link for the software in the description. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need help setting it up or anything. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Let me know what your thoughts are on it.